Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to troubleshoot a tripped GFI circuit breaker. When the GFI breaker trips, it is because of high amperage draw, a bad component, bad wiring, water in the conduit, or a bad GFI breaker. Before we get started, let's go over the tools you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, small flathead screwdriver. 1. Extension cords. If your spa is running on 115 volts, make sure you are not using an extension cord. It will create low voltage, which will increase amperage and cause the breaker to trip. 2. Dedicated circuits. Be sure your spa is on a dedicated circuit. If the spa is sharing a circuit with another appliance like a refrigerator, the amperage draw will be too much and the breaker will trip. 3. A bad component. A bad heater or pump will cause the breaker to trip. To troubleshoot a bad component, follow these steps. A. Disconnect power from the spa. B. Disconnect the component from the motherboard. Disconnect the black, white, green, and red wire if you have a 2-speed jet pump. In this video, we are disconnecting the heater. C. Turn on the breaker. If the breaker holds, it means the component you disconnected is bad and must be replaced. If the breaker trips, it means you need to move on to the next component. The breaker held. We have a bad heater. 4. A bad GFI breaker. To troubleshoot a bad GFI breaker, follow these steps. A. Disconnect power from the spa. B. Disconnect all the incoming power wires from the terminal block. C. Turn on the GFI breaker. The GFI did not hold, which means we have a bad breaker, bad wiring, or we have water in the conduit. 5. Bad wiring or water in the conduit. If the wiring going from the sub-panel to the spa has been compromised, or if the conduit has filled with water, it will cause the breaker to trip. To troubleshoot, follow these steps. A. Go to the main electrical panel and turn off the breaker feeding the sub-panel. B. Open up the sub-panel and remove the front cover. C. Disconnect the wires going from the problematic GFI breaker to the spa. D. Go to the main electrical panel and turn on the breaker feeding the sub-panel. E. Turn on the GFI breaker. If the breaker trips, it means you have a bad GFI breaker. The breaker held, which means you have bad wiring going from the sub-panel to the spa, or you have water in the conduit. Good job! Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.